smooth tayo. We only have 2,000 sa class fund. We need to decide kung anong ibibenta natin for entrepreneurship day.
Tara, search tayo. Pabahala sa full color prints design para stick na.
Wait. Ikaw nag-design na alam. Baka ubos ang budget natin mo at hindi mabutan.
Oo nga, so we need to make a choice. Ang bawat choice may kapalit.
Good point, Leah. That particular opportunity cost of piliin ng full prints, you're giving up the chance to produce bigger shirts or even other items in ways to make.
Let's treat this seriously as if you are a real business firm.
Paano kaya kung napili natin 10 shirts, full color prints design, tapos 10 one prints?
This strategy para may variety pero kasi kami sa budget, we can also plan na only mas mura kaysa sa online service.
Ang ginagawa nyo ay binibigyan lang sa nagawa nyo. Limited resources, so kailangan nilang namili. Education ba or health, roads or house. Simple nyo kayo. Limited money online. So kailangan nyo
So guys, what to do are t-shirts. So how to do they are wearing for basic black, local pretty football colors. And for what to do
Classmates na may iba-ibang budget. Yes, we're coordinating like a real economy.
Gusto ko mag-stencil design. Kaya natin yan sa bahay. Kailangan natin.
Mas tipid, mas madali mabilis, at mas masaya gawin with the team. That's what we call efficiency. Mas marami tayong magagawa gamit ang counting resources.
Apilia, I want to reserve the full color design mix.
Okay. Noted, nagagaliman sa 4 prints.
The next batch, we produce more about the design. Market demand help us to decide. Ganun gumagana ang market.